Hello student, my name is Pratik Shinde. I am working as assistant professor in Department of Zoology, KTHM College, Nasik. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the subject Vermillion. It is a 2 credit course under the STRIDE project. And in this lecture, we are going to discuss the topic Vermiwash and its collection and the composition of Vermiwash. First of all, we see the overview of today's lecture. First of all, we see what is Vermiwash. Then we study the preparation of vermiwash. Then we study the nutrient composition present in vermiwash. Then we see the uses and the application of vermiwash. First of all, we see what is vermiwash. Vermiwash is a liquid extract collected after the passage of water through a mass of earthworm and cow dung. Here we put a bucket on over the vermibed and the dropwise addition of water through the vermibed, and this water is extracted through the stopcock present on a bucket, present on a vermibed, and this liquid fluid called as vermiwash. Vermiwash also known as the washing of earthworm, and it is a clear and transparent, pale yellow and soil color. Soil color is due to the cow dung and soil. Then it is function as plant growth regulator, because in vermiwash many plant growth promoters and the regulators present in vermiwash. Then it contains high amount of enzyme, vitamins, hormones like auxin and gibberellin. Auxin and gibberellin play an important role in plant growth. Then it contains macro and micronutrient as well as microorganisms. Microorganisms such as azotobacter, it play an important role in nitrogen fixation in plant, and these azotobacter present in vermiwash. Then the vermiwash is used as foliar spray. Means we use vermiwash as a spray on a leaf of the crop and plants. Here we see how to spray the vermiwash on the leaf of the crop. Then preparation of vermiwash. For the preparation of vermiwash, we require some raw materials like barrel, collecting pot, bucket or stopcock, broken bricks, broken stone and sand, garden soil, cow dung, paddy straw and earthworm. Instead of barrel, we have to use a cement tank, and instead of the paddy straw, we use a wheat straw or the coconut husk, and the suitable species of earthworm also used in the preparation of vermiwash. Then the steps for preparation of vermiwash. First of all, we place a bucket. First of all, we place a bucket. First of all, we place a barrel of plastic or the cement barrel is placed on the stand, and at the bottom of this barrel we fix a stopcock, and at the bottom of barrel we layer of stone or brick pieces is about 10 to 15 centimeter in length. Above the stone and brick pieces we layer of sand is about 10 to 15 centimeter in length. Above the sand layer, we layer of earthworm and soil or the garden soil is about 30 to 14 centimeter in length. After that, we layer of paddy straw or wheat straw is about 2 to 3 centimeter for aeration. After the paddy straw layer, we layer of cow dung, fresh cow dung. Then is about 10 to 15 centimeter. After that, we layer decomposed organic matter or agricultural organic waste or kitchen waste. After the topmost layer, we layer of the coconut husk, wheat husk or rice husk. Then we put the water pot on the surface of vermibed and the dropwise addition occur into the vermibed. This water is percolated through the different layer of vermibed and this water extracted with the macro and macro component, microorganisms and the hormone synthesis by earthworm is extracted through this water into the collection bucket, and this liquidy fluid called as vermi wash. Then this is an extraction unit of vermi wash. This is a vermi wash extraction unit. In a first diagram, this is a cement extraction unit, and in the second diagram, it is a barrel extraction unit. This is an appropriate vermi wash extraction unit using a soil pot and barrel. Then the component present in vermi wash. In vermi wash, it is an extracted product of earthworm. Some secretion of earthworm also present in vermi wash. Coelomic fluid discharged through the dorsal pore of earthworm also extracted into the vermi wash. Some mucousy fluid also extracted into the vermi wash. The dissolved substance resulting out of washing of the live and dead earthworm, soil microorganism and decomposing organic matter also wash out with water into the vermi wash. Then the nutrient composition of vermi wash. In vermi wash, some enzymes, microorganisms, plant nutrients like macro and micronutrient as well as vitamin and amino acid and some plant promoting substance or plant hormones also present in vermi wash. The enzymes such as phosphatase is present into the vermi wash, and the microorganism like azotobacter, rhizobium and actinomycete also present in the vermi wash. Azotobacter and rhizobium play an important role in nitrogen fixation in plant. Then the plant nutrient. Plant nutrient like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, copper, ferrous, manganese, zinc, magnesium and calcium also present in a vermi wash. Then some vital amines and the amino acids also present in a vermi wash. Some plant growth promoting substance or the plant hormones like cytokinin, auxin and gibberellin also present in a vermi wash. Auxin and gibberellin play an important role in plant growth and plant development. Then the application and uses of vermi wash. First, we use vermi wash as a root dip or stem dip. In this method, we have to dip the crop before the planting. The seedling before transplanting are dipped into the vermi wash solution, which is diluted 5 times with water for 15 to 20 minutes and then transplanted. In the second method, is called as Foliar Spray. In this method, we directly spray vermi wash on the leaf of the crop. In this method, the vermi wash is diluted in water 5 times and spray on the foliage of crop or leaves of the crop. It provides the plant with vital nutrient which also help to control plant diseases. In third method, soil drench. In this method, we add or we discharge vermiwash directly into the irrigation system, like the drip or the floating water. In this method, the vermiwash is diluted 10 times with water and the soil is drenched with the solution to prevent some of the soil-borne pathogen as well as the vital nutrient provided by drenching. Thank you.